In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfreeze your Afterpay account. If your account isn't working or you're locked out, don't worry. It's usually fixable with a few simple steps. First, understand why your Afterpay account might be frozen. It could be due to a missed payment, suspicious activity, or a temporary hold from Afterpay's system. To start, open the Afterpay app and check for any overdue payments. If you see one, make sure to pay it off right away. Your account will usually reactivate shortly after the payment clears. If your account isn't overdue but still frozen, go to the app menu and tap Help or visit the Afterpay website. Use the contact form or chat feature to get in touch with customer support. Explain your situation clearly. Let them know your account is frozen and ask for a review. Sometimes it just takes a manual check on their end. Also, make sure your payment method on file is valid. Expired or declined cards can also trigger account issues, and that's how you unfreeze your Afterpay account. If this helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching.